Morning, gardening friends. The first thing I'm going to do today is work on this future bird bath I'm making. And it's made out of old bird bath parts. And this other bird bath that was here, the original top for it, it was much bigger, and it got knocked down all the time by wild animals or just by the wind or anything. And that's actually why it broke, because it landed on something and broke, I think. So I'm going to turn it over and bury part of it. And this lid fits right in here perfectly. This is not a lid, this is a hanging bird bath, but the chain broke. So it'd be like that. And then I got a pump I can put in there when the weather warms up. And I have a fountain that hopefully attracts the hummingbirds. And I'm going to put a hummingbird and butterfly garden around here. So the first thing I gotta do is bury this in the ground. And I got crocuses coming up right here, which I'm covering up so they don't get ruined by throwing dirt on them. And this here is just grass seed that's grown up here, so I'm not really worried about damaging it. So let's get started. This is one of those jobs that's easier to do this time of year because there's not a lot growing. So let's and I'm just going to save this dirt and put it on the compost pile. Now I think I'm going to cover this whole area up with wood chips and then remove the pots, the flower pots. This is the box containing the air pump, and I got it on Amazon, and it doesn't seem to have a brand name on it, and aggravatingly it didn't have any instructions either. But it is solar powered, and so I put water in the bird bath here, and this bird bath here is so shallow it's not floating all over the place. So there's not any place for birds to splash here. It's not squishy. And these are some different nozzles that came with it. This is everything that came with it actually. So let's see if this nozzle here makes any difference. Yeah, there you go. It is solar powered, so the reason it's only going intermittently is because I think it's a little bit in the shade. Okay, these are the two halves of the bird bath top that did go with this bird bath pedestal. And the bird bath pedestal is upside down because that gives it a lot more room so things don't fall off so much. Okay, here's what I did today. I put rocks along the path, and then I buried the bird bath, a new bird bath, put down some bark chips all around, and dug up all those stepping stones, and I lined the path with more stepping stones. And I started out putting these seashells around the edge, and eventually I have them all put out around the edge here. And then got a rose there, and have moss roses and sedum growing everywhere. You can already see the sedum is growing quite a bit. And then there's daffodils there. Okay, so thanks a lot, and hope you can subscribe to my channel and like my videos, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.